Want buttery smooth zoom transition like these? First, resize all your photos to 150. Then add a keyframe to the very beginning and end of every photo. The first 3 photos will be zoom outs and last 3 will be zoom ins. For zoom outs, click on the second keyframe and resize it back to normal. And for zoom ins, click on the first keyframe and resize it back to normal. Then for the graphs, we will use Flow 2. Add a transition and use Mix and put it at 0.1, and then click Apply to All. The transition where the photo zooms to the different direction, use Comparison 2, and put it as 0.3 to 0.5. Time to add the effects. Add delicate rays. Then add fancy sharpen. Then add horizontal flash. Then add black flash 2. Then add vintage. For filters, we are going to add Yandere and put it at 50, and put Humble and put it at 50 also. And done.